not vote for Pacquiao because he is a liar. Salita na 3 times daw tayo mas corrupt. So I am challenging him, ituro mong opisina na corrupt at ako na ang bahala within 1 week may gawin ako. Maglista ka, Pacquiao, at sinasabi mong 2 times kami corrupt. Ilista mo yung mga tao at opisina. Sabi ko noon, if you come to know that there is a corruption, let me know. Give me the office. Ganon ang dapat ginawa mo. Wala ka namang sinabi noong all these years, puro ka praises ng praises sa akin. Tapos, ngayon sabihin mo, corrupt. Saan corruption? Anong opisina? Pagkaalam ko, wala. DPWH noon was really had the notoriety of pero wala akong nakita ngayon na may corrupt. Mayroon, marami na, pero napaalis na. Naunahan na kita. Every administration will have a share of the problem of corruption. Do not ever think that if you will win as a president na wala ng corruption dito sa Pilipinas. You dream of giving everybody houses in 6 years time. Just like what Senator Enrile said, good luck na lang. You must be dreaming. Hintay ako sa listahan mo at ang mga tao. Matagal naman tayo magkaibigan, hanggang kahapon o isang araw ko lang nagsabi na corruption. It's easy really to say. Hindi ko sinasabi walang corruption. Kaya nga ituro mo. Kasi yung lahat na tinuro ng iba, pinaalis ko na sa gobyerno. Kita mo yung Pastillas, 43 immigration people were dismissed. 73 sa customs. BIR mayroon rin. Secretary Dula is having his hands full of investigating these people. Turo mo lang. Total, it is your duty as a congressman. Go to Congress and start to talk. I am challenging you or else talagang sabi nga nila, totoo na mumulitik ka. You fail to do that, I will campaign against you because you are not doing your duty. Do it, because if not, I will just tell the people, do not vote for Pacquiao because he is a liar. I am not questioning your ability intellectually or what, but pag hindi mo nagawa yan, araw-arawin kita, I will expose you as a liar. At yung buhay mo, kilala mo kita noon pa. Then we should start also because you are going for public office, presidency, everybody should know. At ito, I put you on notice na isasabi ko lahat at kakalabanin kita panahon ng eleksyon. Pag hindi, I will just be another son of a bitch playing politics.